In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to use transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Here we have our demo project loaded into Premiere. I have these 3 clips lay out on my timeline, and what I want to do is add a transition between the 3 clips. Now to start with, we need to get these clips ready for a transition. If I zoom into my timeline here, we can see that this clip here has a little triangle in the top left of the clip. If any of your clips have this triangle, you're going to need to pull back a few frames of your clip to enable the transition to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this to each of my clips to enable that room for the transition to work. There we go. It's going to take a little bit off of this one as well. Right, with that done, we're now ready to add transitions to these clips. We can do this by going up to the effects panel in Premiere. If you don't see this, don't worry, you can just go straight up to window and then go down to effects and you'll soon see it pop up. And once in effects, we want to go to the video transitions folder. And there are a ton of different transitions in here that you can play around with and explore for your own projects. For this example, I'm going to be using the wipe transitions, and let's use barn doors for this example. To add the transition to our clip, what we want to do is click on the transition and drag it down to our clip. And then I'm going to click on the transition again and drag it down to my clip. As you can see, the length of this transition in this example is very short. That's because I have a default preset in my own personal Premiere Pro. We can make this longer by hovering over the edge of the transition. We'll see this little red slider come up, and then we can just simply drag along like so. Alternatively, you can double click on this transition and you can set an exact time for the transition. I'm just going to go ahead and configure this second transition to be a little bit longer as well. And now if we play through this footage, we can see that we have those barn door transitions added into our footage. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.